I am Dr. Surendra Kumar, Professor, School of Management, Babu Ghanasidas University, Lucknow. Today, we are discussing about the counseling and particular from where the counseling is to be come down and how is to be developed day by day and what is the need of the counseling in today's business scenario or why it is introduced in the concept of the business administration. Because all of you are the management graduates or the studying of the management courses is to be for guiding and counseling. It is the prime objective towards the side of the management principles. In the management, a lot of time you may need or you can provide the guidance and the counseling. Here I am using the two words system. Counseling is already written there, so we are using as a guidance. So first of all, you should understand what is the guidance and what is the counseling. More or less, someone told that both are synonyms, but when the values of the objectivity and the concept structurization, we can say both are not the same. Or generally we can say that guidance is basically an educational context, means to indicate, point out, show the way and lead out and the direct. Whereas as a counseling is a specialized services of guidance, specialized. It is the process of helping individuals learn more about themselves and their present and possible future situations to make a substantial contribution to the society. So down, we can say down, counseling is a part of guidance. Like in general, because all of you the management student, if I am just telling you what is the difference between the marketing and sales. Simple. So do just telling that what was the idea generation up to the consumer hand with the value of satisfaction is known as marketing, and then sales is basically to selling of the product from one object to the others with the value of transaction that is known as. But if I am telling कि इसमें कौन father है और कौन उसका बच्चा है, एक ऐसे समझ लीजिए. So we can say down marketing is the parent's life and sales is like the same thing is to be there. Guidance is like a parent and counseling is under that. So this is the only for the understanding purpose only. So if anyone are told कि guidance and counseling is the same thing, so more or less it will be same because they are a part of that. But when we are telling specialized, because counseling is specialized services, guidance is generalized services. So but on the basis of, because this is the extra things which I have to told it here, because for the emergency you should know from where the work is to be come down. A lot of studies are already carrying out by the behavioral scientists and other things is to be in that you can say, because first they have developed the word of the counseling and guidance. Guidance is a process of helping every individual through his own effort to discover and develop his potentialities for his personal happiness and social usefulness. But when we have to come down on the values of the counseling, because how the things can be carried out in the values of the growth, counseling is essentially a process in which the counselor, one person counselor, is like a counselor. So if the counselor is to be there, some counseling is also be needed is to be there. The counselor assists the counselee to make interpretations of facts relating to a choice, plan or adjustment which he needs to make. So the counseling is cannot be completed in just a single task is to be there. If we have just to sit down within a 1 hour, the counseling is over, nothing is to be. It is basically a systematic process. So counseling is a series of direct contact with the individual which aims to offer him assistance in changing his attitudes and behavior to be there. So we can say that counseling is in depth of the narrow process to be there. So whenever we are telling, and just we have to come to the scientific part of that counseling is a scientific process of assistance. Listen, scientific process of assistance. Scientific. There should be a common principle. I already wrote in management, science and arts both. Science because science is telling that 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Student is already certified. So whatever the scientific principle is to be carried out, the counseling is carried out by the base of the scientific principles. So counseling is a scientific process of assistance extended by an expert in an individual situation to a needy person. Counseling involves relationship between two persons in which one of them is counselor. One of them is a counselor. Attempts to assist the other, that is client or counseling. Right? In so organizing himself as to attain a particular form of happiness, adjusting to a life situation, or in short and self-actualization. When the concept is to be there, we have to do the counseling. Now, because now we have to come to the growth of the counseling process. So simple way we have already discussed about, and we can say certain things can be carried out by the means of the counseling. Counseling is basically face-to-face interaction that we already told you. And counseling helps people understand themselves and is an inward analysis. Alternative solutions are proposed to help understand the problem of a needy person or to the hand of the source. Then counseling is remedial as well as preventive and developmental concept is to be there. Then counseling is basically emotional rather than pure intellectuals. Attitude are the raw materials of the counseling process. You should have emotional value. So, counselor operates and emotional labels. These are things actually. Now, we have already told you that the main thing, counseling is basically a step-by-step process to be there. So now we have to come down the purpose. Why this thing has to be come down, or how is to be developed? Why day by day? So, because if you have to come down the history, maybe something in American company, something in Rogers, because we have the Rogers story. Later on, we will discuss about certain theories of the counseling is to be there. In that, we have to come down the concept, or we can say down the history of counseling is to be. So we are here. I am discussing about why the counseling is to be needed, how is to be different from the guidance part, and what is the role and the purpose of the counseling is to be come down. So purpose of the counseling first is to identify the problem of a person. Second, the basic purpose of counseling is to help people use their existing problem solving skills more effectively or to develop new or better coping skills. Right? Third, counseling can't fix. This is prime thing. Counseling can't fix other people's problem. And the main thing, their job is to provide an opportunity for the person to describe their feelings and problems for themselves and them to reach decisions and affections that are based on the informal choices to be there. मे भी पॉसिबल आप सब में से कुछ लोगों ने देखा भी होगा और कुछ लोगों को शायद उनके पेरेंट्स से किसी और ने बताया भी होगा। इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम में एक समय श्रीकांत हुआ करते थे। आज की डेट में इट विल बी अराउंड आई थिंक 60 साल 60 साल के तो हो रहे होंगे। शायद वसीम अकरम की एक बॉल पे उनके माथे पे बहुत तेज चोट लगा। अदरवाइज श्रीकांत के बारे में ये था कि जब वो फील्ड पे उतरते थे तो फील्ड कैसे सजानी है ये अपोजिशन समझ नहीं पाता था। ताबड़तोड़ क्रिकेट जिसको बोलते हैं ये उन्होंने शुरू किया था और तोड़ के खेलते थे कि उनके सामने अच्छे से अच्छे लोग बॉलिंग करने से घबराते थे। लेकिन बाय चांस मे बी एक बार एक बॉल उनके माथे पे लगी ऑन द स्पॉट। उस दिन के बाद से श्रीकांत वापस फील्ड में वो कंसंट्रेशन नहीं दे पाए। He has to start the counseling session is to be there, or later on he has given the showdown the very good result is to be there. But I am just telling कि counseling आपकी efficiency को बढ़ाता है और maybe possibly in the concept of guidance or the counseling you have all the skills, you have all the knowledge, you have all the attitude, you have all the values is to be there, but maybe possibly you are not performing in such a way what your audience want. So that means you need a counseling session accordingly. This is the prime motive of that, or that's why this concept of emergence is to be come down, and it improves the understanding of the self, then helps in adopting the changes of the new environment and making self-sufficient and independent, and also helping the individual to make wise choices. Here we are not telling anything, we are using the wise. Now condition is to be the smart choices, because day by day system is to be developed. So in the counseling, because a lot of functions can be carried out, a lot of values is to be carried out in the terms of the counseling was there. So in the values in the systems, we can say that good counseling helps people build skills they can use in solving their problems. Like for example, if person learn good communication skills in dealing with their spouse, they can also use those communication skills with children, friends or co-workers. This is the main, like a simple things to be there. Now, we have to come down. We have already discussed things. So we have discussed how the counseling can be carried out and what is the role of the things to be there. So this is the prime things, like prime emergence, why the concept is to be added in the business administration course or the team building course or the counseling session specialization part of management programs. So counseling provide optimum development of well-being for individuals. It helps individual adjust to themselves and the society. Then counseling aid individuals in efficient decision-making process. Counseling helps individuals plan for a productive life in their social context by focusing on their assets, skills, strengths and possibilities for further development. And the counseling, or you can say later, because this is a part of guidance also, so guidance and counseling both is familiar. So this is bring about changes in the attitude and the behavior of individuals is to be there. Now, what is the special characteristics? Because why the growth is to be day by day in every institution, counseling is to be added as a part of that. Because whenever we are discussing about the counseling, counseling involves two individuals, A and the B, two individuals. One seeking help and the other a professionally trained person who can help the first. So now the thing is, later on we are discussing about the various therapists or whatever, because counseling needs certain good training, like clinical psychologists in terms of medical sciences or organization motivators, organization trainers, this type of. Okay. In the counseling, there should be a relationship of mutual respect between the two individuals, because one thing is to be very clear, हम किससे काउंसलिंग कराना चाहते हैं जनरली, या हम किससे राय लेना चाहते हैं बताइए, because all of the student is to be there, you are all of the management background person, तो I think हम उनसे राय लेना चाहते हैं जिनसे हम समझते हैं कि वो हमें सही राय देंगे, दूसरा हम उन पे फेद करते हैं. यही इसका मेन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है in terms of the guidance and the counseling is to be there. The counseling can be carried out by such type of person on which you have to believe. If you have not believe or we have not faith on that particular person, the counseling cannot be carried out. Right? That is the main thing. The counseling is aimed at bringing about desired changes in the individuals for self-realizations and providing assistance to solve problems through an intimate personal relationships. Whatever the counselor is to be there, the counselor discovers the problem of the counselee and help him to set up realistic goals, maybe. And like an example, if a counselee is a student and counseling helps him to make or take a decision, make a choice or find a direction in matters related to an educational programs or careers. Most of the time, now the CBSE is already included, even counselors should be there in the colleges at the level of them. Because whenever we have from after the 8th, because the science stream can be changed, or after the 10th, not 100% stream is to be changed like that. So art, science, commerce or whatever, science, even science, the maths, whether we should go for the maths, whether we should go for the biology. So as a counselor, we have to teach, we have to train, we have to advise our students, now this field is better, this field is better, because we have to just down whatever the attitude is to be there. Accordingly, we have to plan this time. The same thing in business organizations. If the person is appointed as a management trainee, in which field he can do better, we can judge down in certain intervals, and we can judge down certain things to be there. Feel it is more than advice giving. Counseling is basically, if counseling involves something more than offering assistance to find a solution to immediate problems to be. फिर counseling is democratic. It cannot be आप किसी पे push करके इसको नहीं use करा सकते. Then counseling concerned itself with attitude as well as action was there. Counseling is centered around the need and aspiration of that. Now, if we have to come down, how the things can be carried out by the means of the counseling, because counseling is the purposeful, we have to relate with the jobs and other things to be. So whatever the counseling is to be there, whatever the values is to be there, so how this thing is to be, because growth or values or scope, we can say scope, and how this scope day by day increases in that. So scope first, counseling for personal needs and problems. Second, we have to provide counseling for educational needs and problems. So first personal, then educational. At the time, depend on person to person. Maybe counselor may be different, counseling may be different in different places in which a lot of field is to be there where we are using this counselor can be. Then counseling is for physical, emotional, social, moral, marital problems is to be carried out in the institution, because whenever we are telling about the institution, there is work-life balance. Work-life balance. So in this work-life balance, we need a complete adjustment in between your social, personal life, in between the organizational life. See, counseling is we use for the vocational, occupational, and professional needs. Then counseling is for career advancement we are using. Then counseling is for holistic individual development, and also counseling is to be used for the situational development. Now, need. Here we are coming, because whenever this is the broad thing which we have written there, that emergency and the growth of the counseling is to be there, means here to why we need it, why the emergency is going to come down, why the process to be come down. So we are just telling about the business management part was there. So the first one, need. For the counseling, there is a need for personal and social domain. Personal and social domain. What does mean? It is to be the development of individuals on the basis of societal development. First, to adopt in different stages of development, we have used it. Offering art of better living by the means of the counseling. Then counseling is a proper use of leisure time also. Then is a holistic personality development is to be taken care by the counseling, and counseling also uses to available opportunities by which you can develop yourself in a very efficient and purposeful way. Then counseling motivates for effective utilization and development of self. And the second thing is, because there's two basic needs we have to put down, that need for educational and professional domain. Need for educational and professional domain. That's why we can say counseling is emerged as a new branch of study. Branch was already there, but like developed and the new branch of study in the business of business management, because as a HR professional, as a HRD manager, if you are working for an institution, you should know we have to all have the different same capabilities, same things to be there, but someone is to be growing in a very good way. So here, by the way of the counseling, this thing. For the educational or professional domain development, counseling helps in academic growth and development. It helps in vocational and professional maturity. Counseling facilitates and individuals in the right educational and professions to be there. It helps the proper utilization of human resources. It helps in adopting the changing concept of education. Besides this, counseling, because we are already telling that this is a part of the guidance, or guidance and counseling is a intermerged in that way. So, in the counseling prepares to adopt in changing professional situations and emerging challenges, and it minimizes indisciplined processes to be carried out. Besides this, it's making proper career choice by a person, because counseling is day by day is to be a need in the system approach is to be there. And besides this, I am not telling anything about the very much is to be there, like system or whatever the process to be there, but definitely we are telling ki what is the function and how the things is to be carried out. Functions of counseling. Later on we will just tell you something also. There are three fundamental functions is to be carried out by the means of the counseling. थ्री, क्यों जरूरत पड़ती है हमको काउंसलिंग की? शायद हम उस सिस्टम में अपने को एडजस्ट नहीं कर पाते हैं, या हमारी अपनी कैपेबिलिटी सही तरीके से निकल के नहीं आ पाती है जिससे हम एक अच्छा रिजल्ट दे पाए. आई एम टेलिंग दैट मीन्स हम जो थे हम वैसा काम नहीं कर पाए. तो अगर हम वैसा काम नहीं कर पाए तो काउंसलिंग का सबसे पहला फंक्शन क्या होगा? व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ द The main thing is to be there. He is adjustmental. Adjustment. In the system, we have to adjust first. Then orientational. And finally, development. These are three fundamental things to be, three fundamental function of the counseling is to be carried out. Without this, we cannot say how a person can be developed, how the person can be achieved, whatever the success he wants. Now, in the guidance principles to be there, whatever the counseling can be carried out. Now, in the system of counseling, when we have to take care, there are certain things to be, because in this part we can discuss about the different, I am just telling about the basic knowledge about the counseling is to be there. So in this here we are discussing something, how the things have to be carried out. We have already discussed this thing. Counseling needs at every place of the life. So we just telling in which area the counseling is to be there, or we can say down the types of counseling. It's not, I am just discussing about the basic types of this, because it has been long recognized that it can extremely difficult to maintain our psychological well-being in today's high stress world by our own values is to be there. So in this, if you have to look after, there are some common types of counseling is to be needed, like marriage and the family counseling can be needed at certain intervals to be carried out. Then guidance and career counseling is to be required. Then third, rehabilitation counseling. You may be a good worker earlier but not now. So as a good administrator, as a good manager, as a good HRD professional, as a good counselor in the institutions, I have to look after the rehabilitation counseling can be carried out again, by which you can show down a very effective and sufficient result can be carried out. Then mental health counseling can be carried. Then substance abuse counseling is to be carried. Educational counseling is to be needed. I'm just, so what is the meaning of family counseling? Family units, different group counseling is to be there. Then individuals which require different types of counseling. A family counselor is trained in the types of negative family dynamics that can occur and how it can affect each and every individual's family members. This counselor can then teach family members how to work, live and love together. We already told you that work-life balance. Work-life balance. Work is institution, life is our family life, and balance in between the intersection. So to coordination of that, we need the family counseling. Then maybe possible the group counseling can be carried out. In group counseling, a single therapist works with multiple patients in order to help them resolve their troubling issues. Then grief counseling can be carried out. In the grief counseling, loss is extremely difficult for almost everyone. especially the loss of a parent, a spouse or a child. So grief, unfortunately, it is an interesting, more isolated society. Many people grow up without the coping mechanism to grieve effectively. A grief counselor can help them accordingly. The marriage counseling, the relationship counseling, and teen counseling, divorce counseling, this is to be not as per the original, but here, because how the growth is to be carried out, how the emergence is to be carried out, so individual counseling is to be, so this thing can be carried out by the means of the system, by means of the well-beings and others positively. Now, in the growth of the counseling, there are three things is to be required. Three things. Growth means constituent, or we can say element of counseling, जिसके बिना काउंसलिंग पूरी नहीं हो सकती. Three things. First is, बात हो चुकी थी, बताइए, what is that? Counselor. आप लोग भी. First counselor, second counseling, and the third, the counseling environment. Counseling environment. Ultimately, unless that environment is to be not provided, a place to facilitate counseling, we cannot say down, the counseling can be systemically developed is to be there. Then, three things that must be remembered while applying the principles of counseling. What is the three ideas to be there? Principles of individualism, we can say, individual, हर आदमी अलग अलग होता है, उसके हिसाब से उसकी ट्रेनिंग करानी चाहिए. And each client is a unique individual was there. For the HRD manager, this is the prime motive is to be there. Every individual is not the same. So you have to treat it accordingly. And then counseling relationship should be based on the client and the particular situation and conditions to be carried out. It's not necessary if person is working, today is a very well formed, maybe possible tomorrow is not working, now, tomorrow, yesterday is working very well, or not today. So you just look after in a particular period and particular time frame is to be there. So in this scenario, in this system, in this concept, in these values, whenever we are discussing about, a lot of things can be carried out this way. Because whenever we have to organize any type of counseling, any type of things is to be there. So then in the educational system, whether in the official system, things is to be developed in day-to-day basis was there. Or ultimate, if you are not in that scenario is to be there, then you cannot say down ki how the condition must be carried out. Then, and without this, if you have to come down in a generalized form, because counseling is now increasing day by day, and counseling can be processed. So whatever the media is to be there, because now we have the emergence, this is the prime thing, now we have just near about closing ceremonies. So now the media, how the counseling can be carried out. Maybe counseling centers can be, is to be there, study centers is to be there, then face-to-face contact is to be there, various letters, radio, television, broadcast and teleconferences is to be carried out. Now, I just give down the final things because now, so in this growth and emergence of counseling, we have seen that day by day counseling increases, and as the process of increment, we can say really is today's condition, counseling really a need of the system is to be there. So in today's scenario, whatever the concept is to be there, culture, system, behavior, we have seen that this is the prime objective toward the side of the management, that we should have developed counseling in such a wonderful form by which our productivity is to be increased. If the productivity increase, definitely our HR professionals getting some good environment is to be there, and we can maintain a good work-life balance. Now this is the concluding session. Or today, in today's session, we have discussed about what about the counseling, how the counseling word is to be come down, and what is the use of the counseling, and why it is to be spreading day by day, and what is the need is to be there. Now, thank you.